So, hey everyone, welcome back to our cybersecurity series. So, today's topic is one of the most exciting part of cybersecurity, which is penetration testing. But before you imagine someone wearing a black hoodie and hacking into systems, let me ask you a question. If you wanted to know whether your house was really secure, so would you trust more like a real burglar or a professional security expert hired to test your logs? I think we all know the answer. So let's find out why. Think of a penetration test as a security drill. Just like schools conduct fire drills to prepare for emergencies, companies conduct penetration tests to see if a hacker could break into their systems before a real hacker actually tries. But here's the important part. Ethical hackers don't just start clicking random buttons. Everything begins with a plan, obviously. So first, the company and security team decide what can be tested, what cannot be tested, and the rules everyone must follow. This is called planning and scoping. So think of it like a home inspection. The owner says you can check the doors, you can check the windows and garage, but don't break anything. So once everything is agreed upon, so the testing begins. So security professionals safely look for weaknesses and check whether those weaknesses could actually be misused. So when the testing is complete, so they don't just simply say we found some problems. Instead, they prepare a detailed report explaining what they found, how serious it is, and what could happen if it's not fixed. And the most importantly, how to fix it. Because finding problems is only half the job, but helping organization solve them is what really makes a difference. Finally, before working on real company systems, professionals practice through real world penetration testing simulation. So think of it like a flight simulator for pilots. Pilots don't learn flying a real passenger plane on day one. They practice in a safe environment first. Ethical hackers do exactly the same. They learn, they practice, they make mistakes, improve, and build confidence in labs before working on real systems. So, the goal of penetration testing isn't break things, it's to make them stronger. So, ready to learn how a real ethical hackers plan and test and secure organizations through hands on labs and real world simulations. So, join SkyStates today and start building the skills companies are looking for. And if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe because we are just getting started. See you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.